morning and welcome to Rhythm English. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. Australia ended day one of the second test at 86 for 1, trailing India by 94 runs. Stark's 6-wicket haul restricted India to 180 in the first innings, with Nitish Kumar Reddy top scoring at 42. Bangladesh urgently recalled diplomats from Kolkata and Agartala amid protests in West Bengal and Tripura over attacks on minorities and the arrest of Hindu monk Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu. French President Macron vowed to stay in office and name a new PM after his government collapsed in a no-confidence vote over fiscal plans, plunging the nation into political turmoil. Syrian insurgents seized the Hama in a major blow to Assad's regime during a week-long offensive led by Hayat Tahrir al-Sham. The loss marks a strategic setback for the Syrian government. Delhi High Court directed the centre to clarify its stance on Subramaniam Swamy's plea questioning Rahul Gandhi's citizenship. The matter has been adjourned for a detailed response. Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis dismissed Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut's remarks, alleging Raut is experienced in ending a party. UP CM Yogi Adityanath blamed Jinnah's legacy for ongoing anti-Hindu violence in Bangladesh following Sheikh Hasina's ouster, citing temple vandalism and threats against Hindus. Kerala High Court ruled against protests disrupting Sabrimala's pilgrimage activities during the Mandal Makar Vilakku festivals, citing threats to public safety and devotees' rights. External Affairs Minister Jaishankar criticized the UPA government's diffident response on 26/11, asserting that India now follows a zero-tolerance policy on terrorism under PM Modi's leadership. India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri will visit Bangladesh on December 9 to address attacks on Hindus and the arrest of Chinmay Krishna Das Prabhu amid strained ties. Ministry of External Affairs criticized Pakistan after UN-designated terrorist Masood Azhar appeared in public, renewing jihadist threats against India and Israel, exposing Pakistan's duplicity. Jaishankar highlighted the Quad's growing strategic role, stating Trump's second administration would likely bolster the coalition for Indo-Pacific stability against China. Ex-bureaucrats, including ex-IB chief Rajiv Jain, condemned Bangladesh for mob attacks on Hindus and called for a symbolic protest on Human Rights Day in Delhi. Exiled Bangladeshi author Taslima Nasreen expressed disappointment over Bangladesh's growing ties with Pakistan, contrasting its historical partnership with India. In response to record drones recovery of 257 in 2023, BSF deployed anti-drone systems and additional battalions along the India-Pakistan border to prevent infiltration. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.